case you were wondering how moms get to shower, we shower with an audience. Got Talon in the closet, Tatum bouncing, and I get to shower. This is my most frequently asked question, is how I curl my hair and what products I use. So I'm going to show you. First of all, so this is my hair just blow dried with no product in it. And I use this dry shampoo. People think that you should use it when your hair is like already greasy. I put it in my hair before it even starts to get greasy, almost like as a preventative, if you will. So I just part my hair where you won't see it. And I just spray this in there. Okay. And then just so you know, I am a licensed professionalist, but I'm not an instructor. So I'm gonna be using the wrong terminology. So just bear with me. So I pull all my hair up. And then these, I get all of my baby hairs out that don't ever grow. These are growing back. I lost a bunch of hair from after having Tatum, but they're finally growing back. Okay, so I use the Babyliss Pro, the 1-inch titanium. They do have the other, I don't remember what it's called, but I like the titanium. So I just straighten these ugly little dumb baby hairs first. I'm gonna start off just straightening the ends because I'm gonna leave those out so they won't be curled. But I start off in the back of my hair. I'm gonna take pretty big sections because this is a pretty good straightener, and I flip it up and just pull it straight down. And then I leave like an inch or two out. And I help it curl, and you just leave it like that until it cools. That's a pretty good piece. So the slower you pull your straightener, the tighter your curl is gonna be. I don't like mine super tight, so I pull it pretty quickly. So when you get to the other side, you're gonna wanna do like the same thing, but flip it the opposite way. So you're gonna go this way on this side, and this way on this side. So if you do it the same on both sides, it'll be going away from your face on one side and then towards your face on the other one, if that makes sense. Okay, once I'm done like curling them, I just let them be all in their own little ringlets for a while until they're completely cooled. Once they're cooled, then I'll go through and I'll show you what I do. Next thing I do, I have a cowlick like right here in the back of my head. So if I don't back comb it right here, it will part and it'll be ugly. So I still poof my hair. I use this just, I don't know, back combing comb. I got it at like Ogden Beauty or Sally's or something like that. So I mainly just back comb like the back part of my hair and not so much like, remember in like 2008 when it was like a big square on the top of your head? I don't, try not to get that. So I use the Matrix Style Fixer. It doesn't make your hair like crispy, it holds it, but it doesn't make it like nasty and crunchy like other hairsprays do. And I always tell people, like, you have to think of backcombing like you build a house. Like if you built a house on no foundation, your house is gonna fall down. So yeah, you can backcomb just like the top and it look okay for a minute, but in a few hours it's just gonna be flat again. So you have to backcomb quite a bit to get what you want. So that is that as far as my backcombing goes. And then I just let it, I guess let the hairspray dry and then I'll comb it out so it's not so stupid. So now it's all combed down and I don't look so crazy. My hair is super like frizzy, and to get rid of that, I use the Paul Mitchell. It's called Super Skinny Serum. I just use a tiny, tiny, tiny bit. Like, you don't want to get, I don't know if you can even see the amount of stuff I have on there, but you don't want to use like a ton because it will, your hair will look greasy if you do. So then I just go like this.
Water. Hold it up so that it's over.
Have to get air in it first.
Yep. Okay. Pull this on there. Okay, pull the trigger.
Trigger?
Right here. All right, here we go. Try number 2.
Hey, guess what? It went harder down and that looks right. A strawberry.
That looks like a strawberry.
Yeah, it looks funny. That's good.
I might have filled it up with too much water, so
Oh,
and can't put that much air in there.
it's dead.
I didn't read the directions. So.
Oh.
It's right here. Play that.
Okay, we figured
Just
it
like
out.
that.
Yeah, baby.
It's working now.
Ah.
Slowly but surely.
Uh-oh, it's gonna kaplode.
Is it gonna go now?
No, I was just tricking you. Remember how you were tricking me earlier and said I had a spider in my hair?
Oh yeah. You were tricking me. Oh my gosh.
Today is National Dog Day, and that dog is gonna be 16 years old. Zoe girl, you're so old you can't even
Hey,
hear
guess
me. What?
Look.
Here you go.
That's a good one.
That is a good one. Where are you gonna throw it?
Go throw it on your slide.
That's gonna be a great one. Oh yeah, go! Beat it! Go!
Get the ball. Oh, so close. You're so close.
Normal, aren't you a little old to be acting like that? No, I can't bring him over right now. I think that I'd be dropping by.
You're so close.
Oh my gosh, girl. You're doing good. You can barely even sit up by yourself when you're trying to crawl already. Come get this. You want to try and get the camera? Get it. Get the camera. Get it. Yeah. Get it, girlie. You can do it. Yeah. Oh.